Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to instrument Spring Boot application with OpenTracing API using Jaeger. Uh, there are 4 steps that we are going to follow, and I hope you have Docker in your PC. Otherwise you can download it from Docker Hub website. First, we are going to install and run our Jaeger. Okay, so we go to Jaeger website and copy this command. Okay. In my case, I already ran the command. So let's see. It's currently running. Docker. See, as you can see, it's running. Okay. Then let's try to access the Jaeger UI. Okay. Currently, it detects 2 services. Okay, that I think I should rerun it. Let's okay. Let me kill first the running instance, so I can show you the Jaeger UI without with empty services. Okay. Docker rm. Okay. So now we remove the existing Jaeger in the container. As you can see, there is no Jaeger anymore. Okay. Let's access the UI. Let's double check if we can if we can still access. See, now we can because we removed the running container. Okay, now we will run again. Okay, now it's running again. Let's check the UI. Okay, there you go. Now as you can see, the service is 0, right? Now we're going to create a Spring Boot application, and instrument our application with OpenTracing API using Jaeger client. Okay, let's go to our IDE. Currently, I already have I created already a Spring Boot. It's basically very simple application. Uh, basically, I think I should create a new one so I can demonstrate you the I can demonstrate a fresh application from scratch. Let's go to Spring Initializer website, we choose Maven project, Java, version is 2.4.3. Okay, then open tracing. Okay, then packaging is jar, Java version is 8, then dependency is a web. Okay, then let's generate it. Okay, then we extract the zip file, open tracing, then we open use in our IDE. This one, new window. Okay, let's wait a bit. So basically, we need to add the first step to uh, enable instrumentation in a Spring Boot application. First step, we need to add the dependency. Okay, so in our Maven, we need to add this dependency. Okay, so after adding the dependency, which is OpenTracing, the dependency for OpenTracing API, we need to add some configuration also. Let's go to Let's rename this to YAML because our configuration is for YML. Okay. So basically, this is the required configuration for OpenTracing API. We can put the service name, let's say demo open tracing test 1, 2, 3. Then enable must be true. Then we need to specify the host of our Jaeger. In our case, our Jaeger is using 192.168.0.14. So we will use that host 192.168. 114. Okay, then after that, uh, I think that's it. Let's run our Spring Boot and see. That way, I think we need to add also a REST endpoint. Okay, so we can test REST controller, then add REST get mapping. Test. So we can test, and let's see if our Jaeger UI can detect our Spring Boot application service. Let's run this application. Oops, we got some error here. Oh, it's because our port is already in use. Maybe because the other one is running. Let's turn off the other application. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, I think it's running already. So let's refresh our. Currently, our Jaeger UI is detecting zero service, right? Let's refresh again. See how. Now you can see. Oops, I think this is a different service. Actually, we are expecting this service name to be detected. Okay, I think we need to access the endpoint so that the Jaeger can detect it. Let's access the application, our Spring Boot application. There we go. Let's refresh our Jaeger UI and see if the Jaeger can detect our service. Oh my, think something is wrong. Oh, sorry. I think we need to call the API. I'm sorry about that. Wait a minute. I think we need to refresh our because our OpenTracing API is not detected, so I think we need to refresh it. Let's check the our jars. Okay, there. It's there already. I think we don't need this code. Let's try again. Let's build our application first, so to make sure it's newly built. So the OpenTracing API is here already. .io.opentracing.contrib. This is the one we added in our form. This one. So it's still building. We just wait a bit. Okay, it's successfully built now. We can run again. So we are expecting this service name to be detected by our Jaeger UI. Okay, demo operating open tracing test 1 2 3. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's not there yet. Let's try to access our Spring Boot application. Okay, we refresh again. There we go. As you can see, this is our Spring Boot application. Okay, let's see if what are the traces that we can find for this Spring Boot application. Okay, now we have one span. See, this is the this is the tags. This is the endpoint that we created. Okay, the process basically this local host, then the logs. Okay, this is then our Spring Boot class, and this is the uh, method that we map to our endpoint. Okay, so I think that's all. So let me summarize my let me summarize everything. Okay, first we need to run or first we need to install and run our Jaeger. So the command is you just need to go to the website, Jaeger website. So basically you just need to run this. At first, if you don't have the image yet, it will be downloaded from the Docker Hub. Okay, but if the second time you run this, it will not it will just simply run the image. Okay, so after running that, then you can access already the Jaeger UI. Okay, so the take note of the port. This is 16686. This one, 16686. Okay. Then after you run the Jaeger web application, you need to add the dependency, required dependency in your Spring Boot application. Basically, you need to add this io.opentracing.contrib uh, dependency. This is the required dependency for OpenTracing API. Then after adding the dependency, you need to add this configuration in the uh, application.yml or application the properties. Okay, take note of the host. This must be pointing to your Jaeger uh, server where you deploy your Jaeger web application. In my case, I use 192.168.0.14114 because I deploy it in this server. Okay. Then after that, I think that's all. You can, of course, you need to add a REST endpoint so you can test your Spring Boot application. So then after triggering that endpoint, that's the time the Jaeger UI can detect the your service. Okay, I think that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video and happy learning. Bye bye.